What a devastation in Wakefield last night. Look at the telephone poles over there, my neighbor's yard. Another gigantic pine tree down right there. We were lucky, we got a lot of big pine trees in our yard around too. Nothing happened here, a bunch of little branches fell down. I'm going to take you guys for a ride around town and show you what it looks like. Tornado, I guess, somewhere between 45 and 60 telephone poles down. We're going to be without power for a couple days, so hang on for the ride. Peace out.
And could you see it? Did you look out the window? Yeah,
there's a car underneath there. There's a garage right there. I work with this guy. There's the house. There's the root. The root's bigger than Heike's garage. That's crazy. That's one big root. Guess this garage got picked right up off the ground last night. Off its slab. Got that. Look at this. Goes the kids' trampoline. Another over there. Holy crap. This doesn't happen in Wakefield. Well, it did. There's a couple of those monster trees back there. They got our whole main drag down that way shut off. There's a monster tree down there. The dentist office is right over there. There's a big tree. Something down anyways. Branches. Wakefield's live today with people cruising. A lot of hurt people. Not hurt, but...
Whoa, look at this.
Look at all those pine trees down. 1, 2, 3. Up by the bank, there's a big tree down. We must have been right in the middle of it down. There's down that way. But...
No. Little bushes out right out.
There's a lot of work for people that cut wood. Jake Allen's going to be busy. There's a state police post. Keep going, huh? Somebody parked their motorcycle right there. Must have been so bad last night. Look at these huge pine trees. Every one of them uprooted. I'll show you this over here. That's it. Camper right there got tipped right up over on its side. This building here, the whole roof blew off. They don't even know where it's at. I'm assuming it's probably in the lake over there. Oh, there it is. It is in the lake. Some of it's behind the building, some of it's in the lake.
The pontoon end up there?
Oh, somebody lost their pontoon. There's another view of that building over there with no roof on it across the lake. I said, I guess we did find the roof. We didn't know where it was, but it's there in the water. Somebody's pontoon boat. Well, she's gonna drive. I'm gonna take a picture of that one with my phone. Keep going. Look at that poor little garage. Just crushed. Keep going, huh? That porch. It's going to be a lot of work here for a long time. Whole town is trashed. Well, not the whole town, but a lot of it. Garage back there. Half of the roof's ripped off. Last time I seen something like this was Marinesco, and I was probably 10 years old maybe. It's been that long. We don't get a lot of tornadoes around this area. That big old tree uprooted. Another camper on its side. 3 more trees. Got that one.
One more.
Howdy.
Right now? Straight?
There's big trees uprooted everywhere you look. I mean, just, it's crazy. It's a big white pine there. Alright, we're gonna shut you off. Big old tree on that house. Somebody's little white birch took a nap. It's my buddy Luke's house. That big pine tree. This is on our street here. Harrison. Some houses got it in trees and some didn't.
Any other bad ones you see?
Did you?
There's a deer way up there running across the road. This is up by Gogebic Medical here. Power lines down on the road, trees across. Telephone poles snapped off. A bunch of them actually. So many trees on houses and garages, and windows broke out. Signs downtown Wakefield hanging off of buildings. The roof that blew off the storage shed into the lake. Somebody's pontoon boat got away. Up there's a bunch of trees that are all uprooted. Hard to see, but